How to create a black bars opening transition. Create a new adjustment layer and place it above your video on the timeline. Go to Effects, search for Crop, and apply it to the adjustment layer. Select the adjustment layer, then go to Effect Controls. In the crop settings, set top and bottom to 50%. Make sure you are at the start of the timeline, and add keyframes for top and bottom. Move the playhead forward a few frames and set both top and bottom values to 0% to create new keyframes. Drag the end keyframes further to adjust the speed of the transition. For a smoother animation, apply Easy Ease to the keyframes. You can also reverse the animation to create an outro. And that's it.